In this video, we listed the 8 best car accessories for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Listen Retractable Car Charger. The Listen Retractable Car Charger is a high-powered, 69W USB-C car charger adapter designed for fast and efficient charging of a wide range of devices. It is especially compatible with the iPhone 16, as well as previous iPhone models including the iPhone 15, 14, 13, and 12, along with various Samsung phones. Its retractable design ensures convenience and portability, reducing clutter in your car while providing easy storage. This charger stands out due to its fast charging capabilities, making it ideal for users who need to quickly power up their devices on the go. The Type-C retractable cable offers additional versatility, catering to modern devices that use USB-C for charging. Its sleek gray finish adds a modern touch, aligning with contemporary vehicle interiors. In the context of user interests such as portable and fast-charging accessories like USB rechargeable bike lights and car accessories, the Listen Retractable Car Charger offers practical value by streamlining the charging process for tech-savvy consumers who are often on the move. Product 2. Product name, DropStop. The DropStop is an innovative car seat gap filler designed to prevent items from falling into the gap between your car seats and the center console, often referred to as the Bermuda Triangle. Featured on the show Shark Tank, this product is a practical solution for anyone who frequently loses small items, like keys, phones, or loose change, in the seat gaps while driving. The DropStop comes in a set of 2, one for each side of the driver and passenger seats. It is made from durable, high-quality neoprene, which allows it to fit snugly in the gap, regardless of seat adjustments. Its slide-free design ensures that it stays in place without slipping or needing constant readjustments. Additionally, the product is designed to be unobtrusive and blends seamlessly into your car's interior. A light strip is also included, which adds to the convenience, making it easier to see and retrieve items from the console area during low-light conditions. Along with the gap fillers, a slide-free pad is provided to secure items on the dashboard or console, adding another layer of organizational help for drivers. In line with user interest in automotive accessories like car floor mats, air conditioning cleaning brushes, and windshield repair tools, the DropStop offers another useful addition to improve the functionality and cleanliness of car interiors. Product 3. Product name, Car Stereo with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. A wireless car stereo with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is a highly versatile and modern multimedia player designed to enhance in-vehicle entertainment and navigation. This portable touch-screen car radio integrates seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to wirelessly connect their smartphones for hands-free control of navigation, music, calls, and messaging. In addition to its compatibility with these popular smartphone ecosystems, the system often includes features like Bluetooth for wireless audio streaming and phone calls, as well as a backup camera for safer parking and reversing. The touchscreen interface makes it user-friendly, offering easy access to functions such as navigation, which can mirror apps from your phone, and Mirror Link, which enables real-time smartphone screen mirroring. This wireless car stereo system is designed to fit all vehicles, making it a portable and convenient solution for upgrading car audio and entertainment, regardless of the car model. It is particularly useful for drivers seeking a multimedia solution that includes enhanced connectivity, safety, and navigation without requiring extensive installation. Product 4. Product name, Apple CarPlay Android Auto Screen. The 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto Screen by Jatazer is a versatile, all-in-one car stereo system that enhances the driving experience with modern connectivity and functionality. It integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, allowing drivers to access their smartphone's features, such as maps, music, calls, and messages, directly from the high-definition 9-inch HD touchscreen display. This hands-free connectivity improves both safety and convenience on the road. Key features include a 4K dashcam for high-resolution video recording, providing an extra layer of security by capturing detailed footage during trips. The built-in GPS navigation ensures accurate, real-time directions, and the 1080p backup camera offers a clear rear view for easier parking and maneuvering. Additionally, the system supports AirPlay, allowing users to stream content from iOS devices seamlessly. The Retractable Car Stereo also includes premium audio capabilities, enhancing sound quality, and offers intuitive touch controls via the HD display. Whether used for entertainment, navigation, or safety, this system is an excellent upgrade for vehicles lacking advanced infotainment systems. Product 5. Product name: Motor Trend FlexTough Floor Mats. The Motor Trend FlexTough floor mats are a durable and versatile solution for protecting your vehicle's interior. These deep-dish, all-weather mats are designed to withstand extreme conditions, making them ideal for a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. The mats are made from a waterproof material, which prevents dirt, mud, snow, and spills from damaging your car's flooring. A notable feature is their trim-to-fit design, allowing them to be customized for a precise fit in any vehicle. This makes them a great universal accessory that can complement different types of vehicles, including luxury options like the Toyota Avensis T250, where they provide an extra layer of durability while maintaining a sleek look. The black color and full-set coverage, front and rear, ensure comprehensive protection across the vehicle. Additionally, they are easy to clean, adding convenience for everyday use. These mats are a solid option for those who seek functional yet affordable solutions for vehicle floor protection without compromising on quality. Product 6. Product name: Roadside Emergency Car Kit. The Roadside Emergency Car Kit by Stalwart is a 30-piece essential tool set designed to provide peace of mind and preparedness for drivers of cars, trucks, or RVs. This comprehensive kit includes key tools for handling common roadside issues, such as jumper cables, which are crucial for jump-starting a dead battery, and a durable carrying case for easy storage and transport. It's an ideal companion for long road trips, daily commutes, or emergency situations. Whether you're faced with a flat tire, mechanical breakdown, or battery failure, this kit offers practical solutions to keep you moving. Their compact design ensures it fits conveniently in your trunk, making it an essential addition to your vehicle's gear, similar to other car accessories the user has shown interest in, like the Autobot's tow hitch receiver for vehicle recovery and off-road use, or DIY car windshield repair tools for scratch and crack restoration. Just like those accessories, the Stalwart Roadside Emergency Kit enhances driver preparedness for unexpected scenarios. Product 7. Product name: Astro AI Tire Inflator. The Astro AI Tire Inflator portable air compressor is a versatile and compact car accessory designed for inflating vehicle tires, bicycles, and even balloons. This 12V DC auto pump features a digital pressure gauge, which allows for precise inflation, and an emergency LED light, making it useful in low-light situations. The air compressor is ideal for quick tire inflation, ensuring convenience and safety during road trips or emergencies. Its portability and ease of use align well with user interests in compact, multi-purpose tools, such as the Lachine P for smart air pump and other automotive accessories focused on utility and convenience. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is a great addition for users seeking an efficient, easy-to-use solution for tire maintenance. Product 8. Product name: moper Car Trunk Organizer. The moper Car Trunk Organizer is a 65L collapsible storage solution designed to help maintain organization in your vehicle's trunk. With its sturdy construction and versatile design, it's suitable for use in SUVs, trucks, vans, and cars. The organizer comes equipped with a lid to protect items from dust and dirt, adjustable straps for secure placement, and a non-slip bottom to prevent it from sliding during transit. The moper Car Trunk Organizer offers ample space for groceries, tools, emergency kits, and other travel essentials, making it a practical addition for drivers who value convenience and tidiness in their vehicle. Its collapsible feature allows it to be easily folded when not in use, maximizing trunk space.